Thank you all for joining us for this very important discussion. And first, I want to thank the Second Lady for prioritizing America's military families. While our men and women in uniform are serving their country, their spouses are serving right alongside them. We support our military by supporting our military families.
Thank you so much for the opportunity to speak on behalf of military spouses. I have been in the Air Force for 17 years, since I was 19 years old. My husband's one of the squadron commanders over at Luke. He's a commander for the Singaporean F-16 squadron. And when I was 19 and signed up for the Air Force, I didn't know what I was getting into. And the one big argument that my husband and I still will go round and round on is the time that he told me, "You knew what you were getting into." Okay. That was about 15 years ago. Anyway, what I want to share with you today is my own personal experience, because I'm really, over the past 15, 17 years that I've been following my husband around, I've seen a lot of positive change. I think sometimes it's really important to stop and see that, because when we get into the weeds of things, all we see are the problems. But we have momentum, and I'm really grateful to you for that. Here's my experience. When Sean and I got married, we moved to Wichita Falls, Texas. I was a junior in college at the time, but none of my credentials matched up with that university. So I had to start over. I had to take some type of physics, and I was a vocal major. Then, about 18 months later, we got stationed here. I didn't get into the colleges here because I wasn't a very good singer, come to find out. Fortunately, after that, and mind you, all along the way, I wanted to be employed, but I had to tell tall tales to people, really, and kind of blur my own ethics about how much do I share about how long I'm going to be here for, so that I can continue to work and to be what I feel like is a valuable member of society. So along the way, I actually ended up working at a floor covering store and at the Hollister here at Arrowhead Mall. And then we got stationed in Japan. And that's where things really got difficult, because it wasn't like I could apply to the college there and try to continue my vocal degree. There was no vocal education department or college in Misawa, Japan. So I had to pivot. And I became a political science major because that was available online. This was, mind you, in 2006, okay? I graduated and, again, had no employment opportunities. We get stationed in Vegas. I go to law school. It was perfect timing. I'm an attorney. About a year after I took the bar exam and had my first job, we got orders to go to Korea. I was right back at square one. No job opportunities. The JAG didn't want me because I couldn't join. I had these 2 little babies and I was pregnant again. Life was really, really frustrating and difficult. And so we went to leadership and we said, if you want us to stay, this is how you can help us. And leadership listened. And because of that, we're still in the Air Force. We don't have any plans to leave. And you know what? We handpicked Arizona too. After Korea, we got stationed in England for a year, and we knew we had a stateside assignment ahead of us. I'm an immigration lawyer, and I came here to continue my passion, which is to help people with their immigration problems. My law firm's just down the road. When you go get on to I-10 here on 7th Avenue, it's New Frontier Immigration Law, a team of 20 people. Some of them are military spouses. People all over the world were able to employ because I was able to waive in, immigration law is federal, so I didn't have to take another bar exam anyway. But if I want to practice in the federal courthouse over here, I had to be admitted to the Arizona State Bar. The momentum is here. Leadership is listening. We're having this conversation, and lives are truly being changed. And it is a national security issue, because if we don't have the best people in the world's best military, I don't know what we have. So thank you very much.
Mm-hmm. We are so grateful. We have the best military in the world, all volunteer military, the best spouses in the world, and military families. And we talk about you everywhere that we go. So we just want to thank all of you for everything that you're doing.